I'm here today to give you an update on ARB. We're going to be going through this from a technical analysis standpoint and sort of breaking this down as to where I think this could be going over the next sort of couple of weeks or so. And then we're going to be looking at potential key buying areas for this asset to see basically a price prediction zone. And I know this chart isn't as favorable as most right now, and for good reason, but what is happening here is a profitable scenario that we can actually take advantage of. Okay, now what I mean by that is let's break this down. So let's talk market structure to start off with, guys. Let's just get rid of those moving averages. Market structure to start off with. There, yes, we have seen our low get put in since launch around 73 cents. From there, we have obviously seen very strong parabolic motion to the upside with good reason. The crypto markets have been very, very bullish, and unfortunately from this point we have seen a little bit of sideways action, right? We didn't see the high get broken like we would want to, and unfortunately we did actually start to invalidate higher lows here from that bullish market structure. That was the wrong tool. From that bullish market structure here, we actually started to invalidate higher lows. Now when that does happen, unfortunately, guys, just get rid of that. Yeah, when that does happen, unfortunately, that does mean that we essentially flip to a downtrend, okay? And it's absolutely fine when this does happen. It just gives us lower buying areas, okay? And we can profit the whole way down. We can just short this asset. So the next thing to really be looking out for there is the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement area. You can see unfortunately we smashed through that with certainty after a test to the lower side and then a test to the upside there. When we break the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, it means the confirmation of the reversal of the trend. So you can see slamming us right down. Now, in terms of the price of ARB right now and what could essentially be happening, I mean, it's pretty bloody. Okay, it's the Red Sea right now for this asset. If we're looking for a simple move, like a simple trade that could actually be very profitable, we're basically going to use the trend as a friend scenario. We've got a bearish pennant chart pattern, which is a symmetrical triangle chart pattern at the bottom of a downtrend here, and it is looking really quite nice for a nice little smooth clean break to the downside. This break is potentially worth around 7.7% there. In terms of a measure move, it does actually span a little bit lower than that, but it's still clean. Okay, it's still clean. It's probably 2/3 of the move there to the lower side there, looking pretty strong. And you can see we're actually playing off the resistance of the 0.764 Fibonacci point as well. So overall, looking bearish to the downside here for a 7.7% move there. Very, very easy, very, very achievable. And in terms of market structure to the downside here, you can see the unconfirmed higher low that we currently have is at $1.27, okay? Which essentially means we can fluctuate. The price can fluctuate all the way up to the previous lower high at around $1.57 and still come back down. So it basically means there's room for price fluctuations in this area. But unfortunately, until we start invalidating this this confirmed higher low at 1.57, which does conveniently line up with the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, that would actually give us the confirmation that we're heading back to the bullish upside here for this asset. But overall, right now, it is looking fairly bearish. I would say that a daily macro candle body close for this asset to the downside would be very favorable for a lovely, lovely short position. Now, one thing we need to take into consideration about this asset is the fact that it has got utility. The utility is already built. It is functioning. It is good. You can see that's why we saw such a massive spike in the price, which was worth in terms of percentages from the low to the high there. It's 229% there, so around a 3.2x. So yeah, overall, it does have utility. It is good. It's just being a bit squashed down in the space because of base right now, okay? So if we are looking for a potential buying area for this asset, then this would be a really, really strong zone. One thing that I would recommend doing if you're looking to sort of get into this asset, do some research on this asset, I would go and find the community. I'd go and find the community and find out what they're doing to actually tackle the competitors in the space, because if they've got some really strong stuff lined up, then it's very likely that they're going to see some really, really nice price movements to the upside here. So just doing a price prediction for this asset, we're just going to be using previous all-time highs here, nothing too crazy. Over on CMC, we're going to be looking at the all-time high for this asset around $2.27. I think it's a little bit. No, it's $2.27 we do have here. What do we do have here? Yeah, $2.42 over on Binance there. So yeah, overall not too bad. Let's look at the all-time high market cap there. All-time high market cap up at around 4.64. That is just about a 2x on the market cap that we're looking at right now, which isn't great. Okay, it just means that they've distributed more circulating supply onto the market, essentially crashing the price as well. So yeah, that's not good. The market cap overall is staying strong, and this is why we do this, guys, because it's very, very important to break this down, right? Because you can see market cap actually in a really nice bullish structure. Okay, so that's really, really good. But the fact that they've been distributing their circulated supply onto the market crashes the price, right? It crashes the price. So it's like basically inflation. Okay, you print more dollars, the dollar's gonna be worth less. Okay, so you can see here that that this is actually a very, very crucial point for this asset, because the market cap is in a bullish stance, and this has changed my opinion of it. It's just poorly run, because you've crashed your own chart doing that. Not great, but overall market cap is actually holding quite strong. From a market structure perspective, you're actually sat on a very, very important unconfirmed higher low. You can actually see the market cap dip here to a low of around 2.15 billion here, which would be a reduction of around, come on maths, around 30% there. And yeah, around 30% you can see this asset dip, and that would mean a bounce from the higher low from that point. So yeah, overall, I was a lot more bearish looking at the chart, but now we've looked at the market cap chart and how the distribution has come into effect here. It's not as bad as it looks. Okay, it's not as bad as it looks, and having a buy zone down at these areas is actually a lot more lucrative than we thought. Okay, so price prediction, I would say just up to previous all-time highs, looking at around a 2.5x there. Very, very simple, very easy. That's going to be your ARB update. Let me know what you think in the comment section about ARB, whether you're buying it. What do you think of my what do you think of the video? Let me know. If you like it, smash a like on it. If you never want to miss one of my uploads, hit that notification bell, turn the notification bell on and hit it, smash that bad boy, and yeah, you won't miss one of my uploads. But yeah, that's gonna be it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.